Hello guys, welcome back with me again, and I hope you are in a good condition in this middle of pandemic. So today I will show you media which is very simple and easy to make, and it is very helpful for students to help them to learn English, especially for grammar. We know that grammar is such a hard materials for students, so I create this media in order to help students to learn grammar easily. So this media is for grammar lessons, especially for part of speech lessons or material. So without any further ado, I will explain the media. So in here I have very simple tools which can be get very easy in the market or in the store, something like that. So it is very easy and of course very cheap. Yeah, but this media is very helpful and have big beneficial for students and make the students learn grammar easily. So in here I provide a few sticks, and in the sticks there are some words that already written, yeah, something like that, you can see. And then the teacher will ask the students to pick one of the sticks randomly. So the teacher will hold the sticks like this and let the students pick the stick. For example, I pick this one, and students will read the word in the sticks. For example, this we have drive. Yeah. So this media, the goal is to determine which part of speech the word is belong to. Yeah. So we have drive right here. So it means that it's belong to verbs. Yeah. So the student will put the sticks in the verb cups. So we have 3 cups, which is nouns, verbs, and adjective. So this cups is to gather the sticks according to their part of speech, something like that. So after the students put all of the sticks according to the part of speech, the teacher will ask students to do another assignment, which is create a sentence from these words. Yeah. So students will ask the student to pick one from each cup. So for example, I pick this pick one and verb one, and then adjective one. So from these 3 sticks, students will be asked to create some sentences from this word. So sorry, it is yeah. We have baby, carry, and easy. So from these words, students is asked to create sentence from these words. So for example, maybe we can say the baby carry the bag so easy, something like that. So it is depends on the creativity of the students. Yeah, the media is very simple and easy, but it has very beneficial impact for the students, right? So it can improve the students' creativity, which can be looked to when the students create the sentences. So they can arrange sentences with a random word. So it's very helpful to students to improve their grammar instincts, something like that. So it's very helpful for students, and of course it's very easy, simple, and so easy to create, right? I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and hope you can try the media and apply it to your students. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and give some critics or something, you can say that. And thank you once again, and goodbye.